friends, welcome back to DinoQuiz. Today, we will test your knowledge of Italian and Indonesian brainrot memes. Here are the rules. You will have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. Choose wisely and see how many correct answers you can give. Don't forget to subscribe to DinoQuiz and let's get started. Guess the first animal from the memes.
Tralalero Tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Guess what number this animal is under? Yes, that's number 2. The shark Tralalero Tralala.
Tralalero Tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Let's guess the next brainrot.
Bombardino Crocodilo. Un fottuto.
You know this animal. That's right. This is number 5. Bombardino Crocodilo.
Bombardino Crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola.
Let's continue the quiz. Who will be next?
Tung 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 sahur.
You know exactly who this is. Yes, this character is at number 9. Tun Tun Tung Sahur.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali.
Well, let's continue.
Ballerina cappuccina.
You know exactly the correct answer. Of course, this is number 4. Ballerina cappuccina.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi.
Let's not stop. Who's next?
Oi oi oi. Bombardino Bondito?
Who is this dangerous hero? It's no secret that this is number 3. Bombardino Bandito.
Oi oi oi. Bombardino Bondito? El bobrito gangsterito.
We're already halfway there. Let's continue.
Capu capu cappuccino assassino.
Who is this mysterious character? Oh, that's number 8. Cappuccino Assassino.
Cappuccino assassino. Assassini.
I wonder who will be next.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Where is this trippy tropa? It turns out it's number 7. This is a trippy tropa.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Only 3 brainrot left to guess.
Matteo! Matteo!
Matteo? I don't even know who he is. Wow, he was hiding under number 1. Matteo?
Matteo! Matteo!
Well, here we are, approaching the finale.
Scimpanzini bananini! Wah, wah, wah!
I think it's no secret to you what the correct answer is. This brainrot is at number 10. Chimpanzini bananini.
Scimpanzini bananini! Wah, wah, wah!
I think it's no secret that the latest brainrot is Bombardino Gusini.
Bombombini Gusini! Fratello Bombardino Crocodilo.
This concludes our quiz. Thank you for joining our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later!